A round of applause to me for putting out my very first video. Hi everyone, hello guys. Welcome to my channel today. My name is Mary George, your number one real estate investment expert that brings you the best, the most amazing deals you cannot find anywhere else concerning real estate in Nigeria. To my lovely Nigerians, non Nigerians in Nigeria, and of course, in the diaspora. You're welcome today to my channel. Thank you so much to my subscribers. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please subscribe to my channel. Let's get to 50 subscribers. All right, thank you so much. Please subscribe, give me a like, share to your friends and family. Kindly comment. I'm going to reply every comment I see on this channel. So kindly comment. Please click on the notification bell so that when next I post a video, you are going to be among the first. No, scratch that. You are going to be the first to watch my video. All right, so thank you. Today I'm going to be talking about a beautiful estate, a beautiful property in the city of Abuja. So kindly watch till the end. Let's go. You are welcome to MatrixBay, a unique property developed by Gracious, situated right in the city of Abuja. Just 35 minutes from the central business district. Gracious MatrixBay is located in a serene environment. It is a beautiful location in Kurudu, Abuja. Now, why is this property awesome? Why do I say awesome? This property has beautiful landmark, including the famous Loyola Jesuit College. Just about 5 minutes drive from here. It has the Janep filling station just in front of the street. It is surrounded by the Army Post Housing Estate phase 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. There's also the Police Housing Estate in very close proximity. There's the DSS Quarters, and also there's the Deeper Life Campground. And the area where this estate is located is already developed. People are living in this area. And there's also the Kurudu modern market right in front of the street. So this is a beautiful area. It's already developed, so you can buy immediately and start building. Now the title on this estate is an RO, that's a right of occupancy. MatrixBay by Gracious is selling as serviced plots. Amenities to be provided include accessible road, perimeter fencing, of which we have already done, and then the gatehouse is under construction, which we are working day and night to make sure we finish so we can start work inside the estate. Alright, we're also going to provide water connection, street lights, CCTV cameras. We're going to provide electricity. We're going to provide good drainage systems. Now, the land sizes. Let's go to land sizes. MatrixBay is selling in 3 land sizes. We have 300 square meters, we have 400 square meters, and 500 square meters. So 300 square meters goes for 3 million, 400 square meters for 4 million, and 500 square meters for 5 million. Now we have 2 payment plans on this estate. There's the 0 to 3 months outright payments, which is 3, 4, and 5 million respectively. And then there's the 6 months payment plan, which comes with a little interest, 7% interest only for a property such as this. Oh my god, this is awesome. So you can pay 3 months or 6 months at a little interest. All you need to do to subscribe is pay 20% initial deposit for any plot you choose. Any plot you wish to go for, just pay 20% initial deposit and you are well on your way to owning a plot of land in the city of Abuja. Is that not awesome? Now let me tell you why this investment is something you should not overlook. There are 2 major developments coming around in this area. They are going to drive up prices like crazy as soon as possible. One of them is the Yanya Road expansion that is coming from Maraba down till Asokoro. Now that road is being expanded and construction work is already at about 85% completion rate. That road is going to boost the price of property in this area, because by the time the road is opened, there's going to be more influx of people in this area, and of course, such kind of things are what drives up return on investment. Also, the second project is the road connection from Karishi to Apo. So that road is also going to drive up sales, because connecting Karishi to Apo, and Karishi, by the way, is just about 7 minutes from Kurudu. So that road connection from Karishi to Apo is going to boost influx of people, is going to drive up the return on investment. It is going to do all of that and more. Now, just so you know, prices of property in this area have already increased because of the developments that are coming to the area. So a plot of land for 500 square meters is not even selling in this area for 5 million. So this is selling way below the average cost of land in this area. So make sure you grab yours now. Do not wait. Give me a call today, 08143429945. You can WhatsApp, you can call, you can send me a message. Make sure you give me a call today and let's get you a plot or more.